Hey guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Guys, this video is so special to me. It is. Guys, guess what? We just hit 160 subscribers. Yes guys, 160 people subscribe to my channel. Me. God, I can't still believe it. I'm so happy. You can see it from my video. You can see it from my expression, everything. Even I did my makeup so that I can do this video in a very beautiful manner, in a very beautiful way, so that you guys can notice it. Guys, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that for all the supports. I'm so grateful for all the supports, all the beautiful comments, all your encouragement, all your inspiration. Guys, you guys are amazing, and I'm thankful to God for giving me the opportunity to even do it, for you people to even come and like it and even subscribe. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, God. And I know it's just a small milestone, but guys, this is huge for me, because if I remember where I started, if I remember my first video where I posted on YouTube here with 0 people, I was just the only one following myself. I was just the only one watching my video, and now 160 people are subscribed to my channel. God, I can't still believe it. I cannot still believe it. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys. This is a thank you video to all my subscribers, to all my amazing community. I want to say thank you guys. My online community, you guys are amazing. Like lately it's been popping good vibes, and I really want to say thank you all. We just hit 160, and we'll keep growing. We'll keep growing and growing and growing and growing, you know. The sky will be our limit. Guys, thank you all for your support, for your kind comments, your inspiration, your encouragement. Guys, some of you guys are so wonderful. Like, I can't believe I met some people like this online. I was so scared of starting this, and look at me now. Look at me now. Let me tell you, if you're watching me right now and you want to start a YouTube channel, this is your sign. This is your sign to just start. If you have it in your mind, you're passionate about it, you want to come out on YouTube, just start it. It's not going to be so easy growing as a small YouTuber. It's not easy, but let me tell you, it's not something you cannot do. It is not impossible. You can do it. And don't let any thoughts overwhelm you. Don't let anything stop you. Don't let your imperfection stop you. Nobody's perfect in this world, so you just have to present yourself the way you are. I remember the day I decided that I was going to start my YouTube channel. After taking so long on deciding whether to start or not, whether I can do it, I can do that, I overthought every single detail. I just said to myself, that month, I think that was October, we are going to do it. I'm shooting my first video, and that video, from the planning to the shooting, editing, God, I overthought the whole process. I was just looking for a perfect video, not knowing that there is nothing like a perfect video. And at last I posted it. It barely got views, but I don't care. I don't really care. What that has taught me is that just go for it. If you are planning to start your own YouTube channel in 2025, you can start this December. You don't even have to wait till 2025. There's no time frame to start a YouTube. There's no, but you can decide on yourself, on your own, that okay, I'm going to start so. But to avoid too much procrastination, just start. Just start. Just post anything. Just start. Whether you know how to speak. Me, my English is so bad. I don't even know English that well. But that was my first thoughts. Oh my God, Lillian, how am I going to talk? This one that my English is not so well. Okay, how am I going to talk? All these people on YouTube, they are so they know how to speak English. And I finally realized that, my dear, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter the way you're thinking it. Sometimes people don't even want to hear your English. They just want to see your imperfection, something that they can relate with. So guys, what am I saying? If you want to start your YouTube channel and you are watching this video right now, just start. Don't even think it. Take this one from me now. He's a small YouTuber that just got 160 subscribers. Just start. There's nothing there. It's easy to talk to camera. You can just normalize it as speaking to your friend on FaceTime or WhatsApp video. Just talk. You don't have to talk in a perfect way. There's no even perfect way of talk. There's no way to say. There's no, how do I even speak this English? There's no perfect way of talking. Everybody has their own way of talking. The way I talk now might not be the way another talk, but other people, you might sound so perfect and you'll be like, oh, I don't even talk like them. How am I going to communicate so well with my viewers? Not knowing that sometimes your viewers are not even looking for who will speak so big grammar. They are looking for someone that will come to their level, that their video is so relatable. So just start, okay? And I've really learned a lot from this, my small milestone that I have achieved. I've learned that it's better to just start than waiting for you to be so perfect. If I hadn't started my YouTube in October, I don't think I would be like, if I watch my other video, like my first video and this video I'm making now, there's a huge difference. I think there's a huge, even though there's no huge difference, but I know that there's a little difference. So another thing I've learned is that you learn as you post. You learn in your process. I don't even know how to put that in English. With each video that you post, you learn. You get comfortable. Before you know, you become a pro. You can talk easily on camera. You don't have to start, so you don't have to look for words. But if you don't start, if you don't keep going, how would you perfect that? There's no perfection at first. You have to keep practicing and keep practicing before you perfect that. Before you perfect anything in this world that you want to do. And another thing that I've really learned is that focus on building a true community. People that will have your back. People that will say, I got you. People that will support you. People that will be there to watch your videos and comment and motivate you, support you in the way that they can. And God, this my few months on YouTube, I've really met a lot of people that I'll be like, God. So people are like, there are people like this on this earth, people that don't even know me from anywhere. They are just encouraging me in my comment section. They are just supporting me, liking my videos, commenting. Some people are watching from the US. Me, I'm shooting from Nigeria, and somebody in the US already is watching my video, and they are like, oh my God, I enjoy your video. I was like, what am I doing that you're enjoying? What am I doing that you're enjoying, God? But that is just it. If you build a true community, they will support you. So focus on building the true community than focusing on the numbers, on the subscriber. Oh, you want to get subscribers in 1 week, in 2 weeks. You want to rush and go and get subscribers and get subscribers that will not even support you, subscribers that will not even come to your live stream, subscribers that will not even comment on your video. So focus on building a true community. So another one is, don't focus too much on the numbers, because if you focus on the numbers, your subscribers, your views is not going well, it's not doing that, you will feel so overwhelmed, and you feel like giving up. But the truth is that nobody on YouTube here started with a big subscriber, like 1,000 subscribers. None of them started with 1 million subscribers. They all grow from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So give yourself the time to grow. Don't go and rush, because from small from crawling you want to start standing. You want to start walking. You don't want to stand yet. I don't think that's the process of life. You just have to take everything gradually. Don't let the numbers weigh you down. Keep going and keep doing whatever the thing. Just keep improving your content as you go. So just be expecting better version of me as we are growing, we are improving our content, and we are improving on ourselves. So if you are watching me now and you have not subscribed to this channel, you are missing out, and I don't want you to miss out. Hit that subscribe button right now and hit that notification bell, so that anytime I post new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Hit that subscribe button right now and join the community. This community of good vibes. There's no negative vibe here. So if you know you carry negative vibe, please carry it and be going. But just hit that subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all for tuning in once again. Thank you all for your support, for your likes, your comments, your shares, everything. Thank you so much. Any video that you want to see next, just drop it in the comments, okay? I'll look into that. So guys, once again, I really want to say thank you guys. Thank you all for your support. Like 160k. I say k, but we are getting there. I know we'll get there. So you guys should not even 160 subscribers. It's massive, baby. So you all, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate every one of you for your support, for subscribing, and for tuning in, and for always watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.